So today I'm showing you how to make this very crunchy, delicious caramel popcorn, and also how to preserve your caramel popcorn for it to stay crunchy for a week. So the first thing I want to do is to make our popcorn. So into my pot, I just added some butter, allow that to melt, then go in with some vegetable oil, then add in your corn kernels. So the reason why I use butter and vegetable oil, so the butter is just going to make our popcorn taste very, very nice, and then the vegetable oil is to allow our popcorn to pop evenly. So once that is done, just have to mix everything together and then allow this to pop. So just keep stirring your pots once in a while and allow your popcorn to pop. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. So do this on medium to low heat. So once you hear the popping sound has reduced, you know that your popcorn is ready. So break that down and then you have your delicious popcorn. This tasted so good. So if you want your popcorn to taste very good without anything yet, just make use of good margarine or butter and it will taste so nice. So the next thing you want to do is to make our caramel. So into your pot, just add in your sugar and you want to melt this. So you're doing this on a very, very low heat and want to keep stirring occasionally. So just keep stirring occasionally until this melts. If you are new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metsuka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new video. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to like, comment, share. Thank you so much. So still on a very low heat, the next thing you want to do is to add your butter and margarine. So you just want to mix this until this has incorporated into the melted sugar. So do not be afraid, do not be alarmed, everything is going to mix up together. So just keep stirring until this is well combined. So the next thing you're going to see is this beautiful caramel. So we are not done yet. So the next thing you want to do is to turn off the heat. Just turn off the heat completely, and then you want to add in your milk. So we are adding our milk little by little. So just add it and keep stirring until it has dissolved well into our caramel. Do not be afraid. I promise you everything is going to mix up nicely. So just keep doing that. Like I said, do not turn on the heat. Let the heat be off. And I just want to keep doing this until you're done with the milk.
In the heart of the kitchen, where stories unfold, spices are whispered and flavors are bold. With every stir, a memory is made, and every dish is...
Once the milk has dissolved into the caramel, the next thing you want to do is to turn on the heat on very low, and you just want to keep stirring this for like 30 seconds and your caramel is ready. So the next thing you want to do is to turn off the heat, and the next thing you want to add is just a pinch of baking soda. So what this is going to do to your caramel sauce is to make it soft so that you can incorporate it well into your popcorn. Please, just a pinch of baking soda. So once that is done, just mix up everything together and then add in your popcorn and mix this well into the caramel sauce. Oh my goodness, this tasted so good. This tasted so good, like you just want to keep going. So just do this immediately. So do not wait for anything to cool down, just go in as it's hot right now. So one thing that the baking soda does is that it makes your caramel very, very soft, and there you have it. But we are not done yet. Like I said, I'm going to show you how to make this to stay longer. So the next thing you want to do to make this stay longer so that you yourself, your children, your niece, nephew, or everybody can enjoy this for you to stay longer is to just place this into your baking pan, and then you want to bake this for like 30 to an hour. So what next we're going to see is this crunchy goodness. So this can last you up to a week. It will be crunchy, it will taste so good. I promise you, this tasted so nice. I was just eating and eating and eating. You are going to enjoy it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do not forget to like, comment, share, and I'll see you on the flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.